It is super early in the morning. Oh, damn. The street lights are not working. Even though I wasn't planning on jogging around the compound, I wanted to step outside. I feel energized. I'm in a good mood to do this. So, uh, though the weather looks kind of shitty, I'm still gonna do it. So, yeah. Welcome to my morning routine. Hey guys, yeah, I'm back. It's been I don't know, almost like 45 minutes, but it's been hectic with your weather. I mean, you can tell the way everything looks like. You can see, yeah, super crazy. I'm meeting people on the road wananiuliza hey, kwani uliacha kufanya zile morning routines? I still do, because honestly I don't do it for vlogging. It's only that I love inspiring people with small things, so I still do. The problem is to exercise while you vlog, it's too much work because you're thinking camera angles, nini. Yo, my creatives, mnajua how this shit works, right? And it's super crazy. So me try to focus on one thing. So yeah, at leo, as you saw, I just left it just to indicate it's morning, and then I come back, trying to do some push-ups, have my cup of coffee, and just go back to work. So yeah, speaking of push-ups, let's do some. Trying to do 50 in the sets of let me see if I can manage to do 2. If I can't do 2, I'll do 3. But the first 2, let's see, the first 25, the second 20, and 5 zile za hard knock life. But you really put emphasis on the push. All right, let's do this. just in case. Sikuhesabu kwa. And now I'll just go inside for the sit-ups. Hizo nimeona sitaweza kufanyia hapo cause I don't have the mat. You kind of shared the mat with my brother. Stand up kumwitisha, so just do it in the house. I'll see you later after I do the shower. Yeah, then I enjoy my coffee.